tire pressure button to 4. Left upper wheel will fall down. Start winding from the right side of the drum. Align the right side of the drum with the machine's guiding pulley, and the wire should start winding from the position directly in front of the wheel. Set the right position limit for the cutting wire. Ignore left position limit at this moment. Navigate cutting wire. Pull the wire from under the drum. Wind it around the machine's wheel once. And bring it back up to the top of the drum. Make sure this wheel is on low position. Now fix the top end of the cutting wire. Make sure that the wire is wound clockwise around this screw. Cutting wire on the top of this wheel. Now fix the tail end of the cutting wire. Make sure that the wire is wound counterclockwise around this screw.